Hello everybody, today I will be covering how to edit and add a logo in a packing slip template on Shopify. So first you're going to go to your admin on Shopify, and then you're going to find the file, go into Content, click Files, and then you'll see all of your files there. What you're going to do is go to the far right and click Link, and what that'll do is copy the link. And then you want to go down to the bottom left side and click Settings, and then go to Shipping and Delivery. Scroll all the way down until you see Packing Slips, and then you click that, and then you're going to look for where it says shop.name. And that's what you're going to be editing with the proper code, which I will provide that link down below. I entered it here. I ended up deleting it because I figured I'd show you guys what it looks like first. So just disregard all this. I will go back and click Preview Template and click Preview Template with the shop name. So there it is. It has the store name up there. That's as is with the shop.name coding. So you're going to delete that, highlight it and delete it. And then you're going to put this code in its place. And then where it says paste file URL here, that is where you're going to copy that link from your files and you're going to enter it. Once you enter it, you click Preview Template. I always click out of it just to the side and then click Preview Template. So you see the logo right there. I replaced the name with the logo. And as you can see with the current settings with 60 pixels height and width, it is very small. So you just edit these numbers how you wish. So right here, I'm going to show you what it looks like at 300. And that is pretty big. You can keep it that size or you can edit it. To edit, you just fix these numbers to your liking. I found that 180 is the number that I like. Like I said, you can fix it to whatever you'd like. So I think that's a fairly reasonable size there. So now what I'm going to do is show you how to add the photo with keeping the title. So you're going to go to the same place, your settings, shipping, click edit next to the packing slips. And then what you're going to do is put a break or a space. You just click enter between shop title and the to uppercase. And you're going to paste this code in between there in the blank break. And then you're going to edit the size as you wish, just like what we did before. And I do highly recommend to click Preview Template before you save anything. That way you can edit it to your liking. So after putting the code in, this is what it looks like with the store name and the logo above it. And like I said, you can edit the size of it. I think that's too small. If you do it this way, I found that 120 looks much better. It's not too big, not too small. That's the size difference there. And once you find the size that you like, go ahead and click save. And there you are.